Have you ever noticed something strange? You can understand an English video. You know many English words. You can even answer grammar questions. But the moment someone asks, "Can you speak English?" your mind suddenly goes blank. Your heart beats faster. You know the words, but they just don't come out. If you've ever felt that way, I want you to know something. You're not behind. You're not bad at English, and you're definitely not alone. The truth is, most English learners don't have a grammar problem. They have a speaking habit problem. And today, we're going to start changing that together. Hello, my wonderful friends. Welcome to Always Learn with English. I'm Heina, and I'm so happy you've decided to spend a few minutes with me today. Today is special because we're beginning day 1 of our 5-day English speaking challenge. Over the next 5 days, we're not going to memorize hundreds of difficult words. We're not going to study boring grammar rules for hours. Instead, we're going to do something much more important. We're going to train your mouth, your ears, and your brain to start speaking English naturally, little by little, one sentence at a time, because that's how confidence is really built. Before we begin, I want you to think about something. Why are you learning English? Maybe you want a better job. Maybe you dream of traveling. Maybe you want to study abroad. Or maybe you simply want to watch movies, talk to people from different countries, or finally speak English without feeling nervous. Whatever your reason is, it's important because every big success begins with one small reason, and today you're taking another step toward that goal. Here's something I've learned after helping thousands of English learners. Many people keep waiting. They say, "I'll start speaking when I know more vocabulary. I'll speak when my grammar is perfect. I'll speak when I feel confident." But confidence doesn't work that way. Think about riding a bicycle. You don't become confident and then ride. You ride, you wobble, you make mistakes, and little by little, you become confident. Speaking English works exactly the same way. You don't wait for confidence, you create confidence every single time you open your mouth. So today, don't worry about sounding perfect. Don't worry if your pronunciation isn't exactly like a native speaker. Don't worry if you make small mistakes. Mistakes aren't stopping your progress. They're proving that you're learning. Every sentence you speak today is one sentence your future self won't be afraid to say, and that's real progress. Now, let's begin today's speaking practice. Here's how we'll do it. I'll say one sentence first. Listen carefully. Pay attention to the pronunciation, the rhythm, and the feeling. Then, repeat the sentence out loud, not inside your head. Use your real voice, even if you're alone, because English is a language you speak, not a language you only think about. The more your mouth moves, the more natural English will become. Take a deep breath, relax your shoulders, smile a little, and let's begin. Sentence 1. Today is the first step toward my English confidence. Listen. Now repeat. Today is the first step toward my English confidence. One more time. Today is the first step toward my English confidence. Excellent. Sentence 2. I choose to speak even if I make mistakes. Listen carefully. Now repeat. I choose to speak even if I make mistakes. Again, I choose to speak even if I make mistakes. Perfect. Sentence 3. Every day, my English becomes a little stronger. Listen. Repeat. Every day, my English becomes a little stronger. One more time. Every day, my English becomes a little stronger. Wonderful. Sentence 4. I am building confidence one sentence at a time. Listen. Now you. I am building confidence one sentence at a time. Again. I am building confidence one sentence at a time. Fantastic. Sentence 5. Speaking English is becoming a natural part of my life. Listen carefully. Now repeat. Speaking English is becoming a natural part of my life. Again. Speaking English is becoming a natural part of my life. Amazing work! You've already completed your first 5 sentences. Take a moment. Notice how much more comfortable your voice already feels. Sometimes the hardest sentence to say is the very first one, and you've already done it. Let's keep this momentum going. Listen carefully. Now repeat. Every sentence I speak makes me more confident. One more time. Every sentence I speak makes me more confident. Excellent. Listen. Now repeat. I enjoy improving my English every single day. Again. I enjoy improving my English every single day. Beautiful. Listen. Repeat. I trust myself to become a better English speaker. One more time. I trust myself to become a better English speaker. Fantastic. Listen carefully. Now your turn. I speak English slowly, clearly, and confidently. Again, I speak English slowly, clearly, and confidently. Amazing. Listen, repeat. Every practice session brings me closer to fluency. One more time. Every practice session brings me closer to fluency. Excellent work. You've already finished 10 sentences. Take a second and think about how you felt before this lesson started. Maybe you were a little nervous. Maybe you weren't sure if you could speak every sentence. But look at you now. You're still here. You're still speaking. And that's something to be proud of. I am creating a strong English speaking habit. Listen. Repeat. I am creating a strong English speaking habit. Again, I am creating a strong English speaking habit. Wonderful! Small steps today create big results tomorrow. Listen carefully. Now repeat. Small steps today create big results tomorrow. Again, small steps today create big results tomorrow. Perfect! I become better every time I practice. Listen. Now repeat. I become better every time I practice. One more time. I become better every time I practice. Excellent! I focus on progress, not perfection. Listen. Repeat. I focus on progress, not perfection. Again. I focus on progress, not perfection. Amazing! I am proud of myself for showing up today. Listen carefully. Now repeat. I am proud of myself for showing up today. One more time. I am proud of myself for showing up today. Fantastic! Can I tell you something important? Many learners stop practicing because they think, I'm not improving fast enough. But real progress is often invisible, just like going to the gym. You don't become stronger after one workout. But if you keep showing up week after week, month after month, one day you realize you're stronger than you ever imagined. English is exactly the same. Keep showing up, keep speaking, and trust the process. You are doing an amazing job. Take a deep breath, relax your shoulders, and remember, every sentence you speak today is helping your brain become more comfortable with English. You don't need to rush. You don't need to be perfect. Just keep speaking with me, because every time you use your voice, your confidence grows a little more. Let's continue. Sentence 16. I enjoy using my voice to speak English every day. Listen carefully. Now repeat. I enjoy using my voice to speak English every day. One more time. I enjoy using my voice to speak English every day. Excellent. Sentence 17. Every mistake teaches me something valuable. Listen. Now repeat. Every mistake teaches me something valuable. Again, every mistake teaches me something valuable. Fantastic. Sentence 18. I keep speaking even when I feel nervous. Listen carefully. Now it's your turn. I keep speaking even when I feel nervous. One more time. I keep speaking even when I feel nervous. Wonderful. Sentence 19. Every conversation helps me become more fluent. Listen, repeat. Every conversation helps me become more fluent. Again, every conversation helps me become more fluent. Amazing! Sentence 20. My future English is created by today's practice. Listen carefully. Now repeat. My future English is created by today's practice. One last time. My future English is created by today's practice. Excellent! Wow! You just completed all 20 speaking sentences. Take a moment and smile, because today you didn't just watch an English lesson, you actually used English. And that's the biggest difference. Before we finish, let's quickly remember what we practiced today. We learned that confidence comes from speaking, not before speaking. We practiced 20 simple but powerful English-speaking sentences. We trained our pronunciation, rhythm, and natural speaking flow. We learned to accept mistakes as part of learning. We reminded ourselves that small daily practice creates long-term fluency. Most importantly, we used our own voice instead of only listening. That's how real speaking confidence begins. Before you leave, I want you to promise yourself one thing. Don't let today's lesson be the only time you speak English. Tomorrow morning, repeat these 20 sentences one more time. I promise they'll feel easier. And after repeating them for a few days, many of these sentences will become natural. That's exactly how fluency is built. Not in one day, but one day at a time. Now I'd love to hear from you. Which sentence was your favorite today? Write it in the comments. Or write one new English sentence about yourself. Even one sentence is fantastic practice. And here's something special. If this video gets 20 meaningful comments, I'll create the next lesson based on the topic you choose. So your comment really matters. If you enjoyed learning with me today, please like this video, subscribe to Always Learn with English, and turn on notifications so you don't miss day 2 of our 5-day English speaking challenge. Tomorrow, we'll learn new speaking patterns that will help you sound even more natural and confident. Thank you so much for spending your time with me today. I'm Heina, and this is Always Learn with English. Keep listening, keep speaking, keep believing in yourself. And remember, your English is getting stronger. One sentence, one conversation, and one day at a time. I'll see you in day 2. Take care, my friends. Bye.